Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful wall hanging decoration ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is beavers. Wooden wall hanging, use small wooden pieces or strips. Write white or paint design on them. Hang them with a rope. This gives a nature and stylish look. Basket wall decor. Use small basket or plates. Hang them on the wall in a pattern. Use different sizes for a better look. This makes your wall look unique and creative. Mirror hanging. Use small mirrors. Hang them with rope or frame. Arrange them in a design. Mirror make your room look bright. And a big fabric wall hanging. And friends, use colorful cloth or fabric, cut it into shapes, or use full pieces, hang it like a trophy. This gives a soft and cozy feel. And weavers, friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So guys, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, friends.